Hello everyone, this is me, Muhammad elsaraan. Today is the first lesson in DevOps. But before we start our course, let's set the goal of this course. First of all, I am going to do short videos to make it simple and easy. Second, we will divide this course into two parts. The first part is the theory, to show all information required. The second part is practical, to use and set up the most popular tools in DevOps stages, like Git, Jenkins, Docker, and other tools we will see during this course. I expect from you to have basic Linux knowledge, but not required. A machine running Linux, physical or virtual, it doesn't matter actually. Personally, I installed CentOS 7 alongside with Windows 10. And it is the first step to learn Linux, if you are a fan of Microsoft. If you are interested in DevOps, so this course is for you. So let's start. Before we start, or before we say what is DevOps, let's see one of many situations happening in real life. Developing team worked on a new feature and it is built and tested as well. Once it is released and moved to operation team to deploy, oops, production is down after deployment. Development team said it worked on our system. Also operation team said we just deployed your code. And during this blaming, there is money and time wasted. And there are a lot of situations like that. It is like volleyball game. Every team tries to get rid of this ball and hit the ball from their side. DevOps changed that and said everyone is involved to break this wall between development team and operation team so that responsibilities are shared. Now we need to know what is DevOps. I will explain that on several parts. By getting to the definition of DevOps, we will find out that DevOps consists of two parts. Dev, which is related to development team, and Ops, which is related to operation team. And there will be combination between these teams. But how? By set of practices, we will give it the acronym MCSA. Remember these 4 letters by Microsoft certificate. It's a very popular one, MCSA. But what this acronym stands for? Actually, it stands for measurement, culture, sharing, and automation. We will start with culture. And it is the result of the way that teams interact. This way with a clear focus on roles and responsibilities for both teams, which will force teams to collaborate and communicate with each other. You cannot skip of responsibilities. The second one is automation. It's about tools we are using. It is very important key in DevOps to speed up the feedback between teams. You automate every stage in your cycle, so for sure you will get feedback for each stage immediately. And of course, your code will be deployed to the production once it passed the test. The third one, measuring. And when we are talking about measuring, we mean performance, release frequency, failover time, response time, repair time, the speed of deployment, the speed of development, customer response, etc. Can you imagine when you measure all that, what result would be? What is the quality of software would be? How would you define expectations for every step? No more surprises and unwanted behaviors. The fourth and the last one, sharing. Everything is shared between your teams. Idea, problems, knowledge and solutions between all teams. That will create innovation atmosphere alongside with communication and collaboration. It's a symphony played by orchestra when each player is a part of big system. This is the concept behind DevOps. It's not only about tools. The most important, how to bring your product to the market fast with high quality and of course less expenses, which is the most favorite for any business, with almost no human mistakes. Hope I could deliver the idea behind DevOps. See you in the next video, and don't forget to share this video if you like it.